It smells amazing. How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. Christmas is here. I've got a beautiful, look. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? Look at that. I've got a beautiful, quick, and I mean quick, Christmas recipe, holiday recipe. It's got a bit of steak on there, gorgonzola, honey, tomatoes. It's a flavor bomb. Like I said, Christmas is here, but it's still warm. And I've got this beautiful parsley, and it's fantastic that I can just pick from here. It tastes so much better. I'm very blessed to have that. But yeah, do you want to see how I made this? Because this is Christmas in your mouth right there. It's an absolute flavor bomb, packed full of flavor. But I'm gonna take a bite. Gotta take a bite. And that steak, man, ribeye. I got a ribeye on here. Okay, let's start off with the base of the dish. Slice tomatoes in half. I'm using the small ones. Add to a bowl, followed by grated garlic. By grated the garlic, it just hits with more flavour. Next, dice onion. I'm using red. They look nice and sweeter compared to yellow onions. Next, add parsley. I got this from the shed. Add extra virgin olive oil, up to you how much, just don't go crazy. Then with the back of your spoon or a fork, crush the tomatoes. This just creates more flavour. Give it a good stir, season as you go, then put to one side. For my protein, I'm using ribeye, perfect for this dish. Bags of flavour, and when it's cooked right, so tender. Add olive oil to a hot pan, add the steak, and cook that baby. I cook mine medium, but you do you. When cooked, take it out and let it rest for about 2 to 3 minutes. The shed smell amazing. Next, I started to toast my bread. Don't clean out the pan. You want all the bits from the steak to get into the bread. Add olive oil to a hot pan, then add your bread. I rub some garlic on the warm bread, just to give it some extra flavour. Right, now time to get this ready for eating. Like gorgonzola hits, and I've got a little bit of honey just drizzled over the top there, just to bring everything together. But I didn't want anything too heavy in the bruschetta, just a nice base, because the gorgonzola really is powerful, and the honey just brings out the flavour of the gorgonzola, and a little bit of salt on top of the steak. Fantastic. A nice, beautiful medium ribeye. So good.